Hey everyone and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today we are going to talk about an exciting topic, AI phone agents. These are AI tools flooding the market at the moment that use artificial intelligence to handle phone calls for businesses. And this can save companies a lot of time and money and help them to make more money at the same time, since they can use those to automate cold calls or also handle customer inquiries. And this will of course save costs for expensive employees in those areas and give you the resources back you can use somewhere else. But let's dive in and see which AI phone agents are the best on the market today and how they look and how they work.
Hey, James.
I'm not interested, man.
Yeah, no worries. I hate calls out of the blue too. But I'm actually from Apple, and I saw you were checking out Vision Pro and were about to pre-order but left the page.
Dude, I
was curious, what
right
had you looking into potential? Okay, I can respect that. Can I just ask one question before you go?
Fine, shoot. What's up?
Why did you decide not to pre-order the Vision Pros? I saw you changed your mind last minute.
Because they are crazy expensive. I'm gonna get the Meta Quest instead.
I get it. But you saw what happened to Threads, right? Do you think the Meta Quest will end up being a better product than the Vision Pros? Or is it just the price?
I mean, it's mainly about price. I'm sure the Vision Pros are gonna be better, but I'm not spending $3,000 on a pair of goggles, my man.
I feel that for sure. Definitely want you to make the best decision for you. But can I offer a different perspective?
I guess so. What's up?
Okay, so something that not a lot of people are aware of. If you take the route of using financing, Vision Pros only come out to a few $100s a month. So although $3,000 sounds like a lot, we can break it up to be more affordable for you. Does that by chance sound more palatable?
Interesting. How would that work?
Yeah, totally. Happy to give you context. Basically, you just fill out your details real fast and can see if you get approved. And if you are approved, it's much more affordable for you.
Okay. So what do we got to do for that?
Awesome. Okay, I'll send it over now. Let me know when you receive it.
Okay, I just got a text. That was quick.
Okay, sweet. Just fill that form out. Like I said, it takes 45 seconds. And once you are done, you'll have your name down for a pre-order of the Vision Pros. Can I help you with anything else?
No, that's awesome. I appreciate it, actually.
Perfect. I'm pumped. We got you on the good side, huh? By the way, who do you got in the Musk versus Zuckerberg fight?
I think Musk, he's got the size difference.
Yeah, I agree. I'm just glad that Tim Cook is not involved. But hey, I know you said you didn't have much time, so I will let you get back to it. Thanks for chatting.
Okay, awesome. I appreciate it, man. Have a good one.
The first tool we will take a look at is called Air.ai. This tool became very popular a few months ago. It can handle many types of calls very well. However, there's a big problem for us in Germany. You can't use it to call German phone numbers yet. So this is something which most likely will come in the next weeks or months or something like that. Those AIs are evolving so quickly, so this video is maybe already outdated in the next few weeks or something like that. So especially in the area of AI, you in most cases really need someone who is really experienced in this field and also have a look at the market and which tools are evolving in which directions and all that stuff, so you can always get the latest recommendations or something like that. But yeah, we will talk more about that later. So Air.ai is really nice. As I mentioned, you can't call German phone numbers there yet, so we can't use this AI tool here for us in Germany right now. The second tool I want to show you is Bland.ai, and Bland.ai also works in Germany. It suggests using an American phone number, but you can also change it to a German number. This tool is also available in Germany and can be used to make calls in German language as well. The third tool I also want to talk a bit more about today is Synthflow. Synthflow also allows you to create AI phone agents and assistants, and it's also available in Germany, which means you can also of course call German numbers and also with speaking, or the AI can speak in German language as well. So Synthflow also gets a check for the availability for us here in Germany. The fourth tool I want to show you is called Vapi, and Vapi also can call many types of different numbers, also for, German phone numbers, and also can use many different languages, also German language. So Vapi also have the availability for us here in Germany. Can you tell me more about Vapi?
I believe you meant to ask about Vapi, not Nucky.
Yeah.
Vapi is an AI voice assistant platform that developers can use to embed voice assistants into their apps and phone numbers. It supports multiple providers and models, and it has low latency for real-time conversations. It's pretty cool, if I do say so myself.
I'm building virtual 3D offices. Can I also integrate it in the virtual 3D office, which I have built with Three.js?
Absolutely. You can integrate Vapi into a 3D visual office that you've built using Three.js. It can add a whole new dimension to the user experience by allowing users to interact with the office using natural language voice commands. Just imagine talking to the virtual assistant to schedule meetings, find information, or even just have a friendly chat while navigating through the 3D office. Sounds pretty futuristic, doesn't it?
Yeah, right. Now we have those three tools we can work with here in Germany: Bland.ai, Synthflow, and Vapi. So let's take a closer look at them so you can decide which one is the best for your use case. We will compare them based on 5 important criteria. The first criteria is the language. How good is the language quality? How good can the tool speak German or other languages? And for Bland.ai, you can choose different voices. It uses one of the best platforms for these voices called 11 Labs. I also already made a video about this back then, so you can also feel free to check that out. However, you can't add your own custom voices there. The German language quality is acceptable, but especially for incoming calls where it doesn't matter much if the caller sounds like a machine, that will be very good. But like for cold calls or something like that, other tools might be a bit better. So next we also have Synthflow. Synthflow recently added support for German voices. It also uses 11 Labs, so you can choose between different high quality German voices, also of course other voices, other languages and all that stuff. And you can even upload your own voice to 11 Labs and use it with Synthflow. And this gives you a lot more of flexibility and all that stuff. And lastly, we also have Vapi. Vapi also uses 11 Labs for voices. You can also use voices from OpenAI's latest models, which are also very good at speaking German. Vapi also allows you to add background sounds, like for example office noise, to make the call sound a bit more natural. And you can also add like filler words like an or all that stuff you usually do when you talk freely or something like that, to make also the conversation in general sound a bit more human and not like that robotic, that it's like too perfect to like that it's not a human. Because of these features, Vapi has one of the best language capabilities from my point of view. And now maybe the next point we can talk a bit more about is the costs. Synthflow starts at around like 29 euros per month for 50 minutes of calls. This is quite limited, so you might need to go with higher plans, which can be more expensive. Bland.ai charges 9 cents per minute for the calls. This is more affordable and you can pay for the minutes you actually use. Vapi is the most cost effective, charging only 5 cents per minute, and this makes Vapi also the winner here in terms of the costs. Finally, maybe we can also take a deeper look at the functionality and integration, how easily it is to set up and to use those tools. Bland.ai has a simple user interface. You can create prompts and set up pathways for conversations. It also integrates with Zapier, which allows for many different automation options when you do cold calls, for example, that you can maybe also update a lead in your CRM tool or something like that. Synthflow also has a very clear user interface. It guides you through the setup step by step, and you can also create custom functions and integrate it with various tools, so it's great for advanced users. And Vapi also of course has a clear interface and many features. It also supports function calling, which lets the AI access dynamic data during calls, and it integrates with, for example, Make, allowing for various automations as well. And Vapi is very user-friendly and powerful there as well. Interesting thing definitely is like the AI access or of the dynamic data during the calls, especially when you maybe have a bigger database of products or something like that. Vapi would be able to like access those somehow when you connect it in the right way, and that it can give the user a proper overview about different products and can also help them find the right product for themselves. Especially those tools can be very interesting when you combine it with another AI tool we are actually developing, virtual 3D offices, which you maybe also already saw in our latest videos.
Hey, welcome to Art of Sports. How can I help you today? Are you searching something specific?
I'm looking for shoes.
Okay, then please follow me. I will now show you our selection of shoes. This is our collection of shoes. Let me know if you have any further questions.
Which type of shoes do you have?
We have running shoes, basketball shoes, tennis shoes, and more.
I'm looking for running shoes.
No problem. We have a great selection of running shoes. We have a great selection of shoes, including Nike Air Jordans, Adidas Ultra Boosts, and New Balance Fresh Foams. We also have a wide variety of colors and sizes. Which type of shoe are you interested in?
I like the Nike shoes.
Great. We have a wide selection of Nike shoes, including the popular Air Jordan line.
But we will talk a bit more about that in the next minutes. So in conclusion, after comparing the availability, the language quality and cost and functionality, Vapi is, from my point of view and right now, the best choice for most users. It's affordable, easy to use, and have excellent language capabilities. And if you want to get more information about those tools and how you can set up AI agents, to do your cold calls or also pre-qualify your customers in virtual 3D offices, we definitely should talk more about this, since we help businesses globally to use AI in their daily businesses and also assist building digital twins or those virtual 3D offices I already have mentioned with AI to build up trust and shorten your sales cycles, since customers can already take a tour at your virtual 3D office and talk with customer testimonials, which will build up trust, and they also get a tour through the office from your employees, so they can also learn more about your processes, and like this they already can get a feeling how it will really feel when they work together with you. And with this you can stand out from the crowd and really build up trust, which is, like, in the times we have right now, one of the most important things to really boost your sales. So if this sounds interesting, you can easily find my mail in the description, or you will also find a link there to directly book a free meeting with me so we can talk more about your use cases in more details. I'm really looking forward hearing from you. And yeah, thank you very much for watching as well. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want also a detailed tutorial on setting up an AI phone agent for your business. But that's it from me. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.